For AXA, I'm Anna Samovska. We've told you in the past about our great admiration for AXA trustee Dr. Paul Offit, and we'll say it again. This time for an excerpt from his new book titled Do You Believe in Magic? The excerpt published in the latest issue of The Atlantic. In his book, Offit talks about Linus Pauling, a famous scientist who revolutionized our knowledge of chemistry. But he would only be remembered for one thing: vitamin C.
Linus Pauling was one of the brilliant minds in science of all time, and his contribution to chemistry really set the stage for what we know about chemistry today, and it was brilliant. And for this, he won the Nobel Prize in 1954, and deservedly so. So there is no question about his incredible contributions to chemistry.
But Dr. Bloom says Pauling won the hearts of Americans for completely the wrong reasons.
He simply became convinced that there was a mechanism by which vitamin C would protect against a number of diseases, but every single clinical trial that's ever tested this has found no connection whatsoever.
His legacy would live on among those who don't believe the science behind vitamins. Dr. Ruth Kava says studies show vitamins could do more harm than good.
Paul Offit went through the science showing that vitamin supplements don't really help either cure or prevent disease. And we have been saying that at least since 1995, when I did a review of then the current epidemiological evidence for vitamins and mineral supplements. And since that time, as Offit goes through and points out, there have been other studies that basically demonstrate the same thing. And yet people still feel that they can improve their health by taking vitamin supplements.
It's a clear case of what we here at AXA call celebrities versus science. Most recently, singer Katy Perry, who tweeted this photo of all the daily vitamins she takes.
You have to ask yourself, why should I believe what these celebrities are saying? What kind of scientific oomph do they have? They're well known. Their faces are well known, but they're well known for other reasons than besides their scientific acumen. So I think that you can say, well, that's nice if Katy Perry wants to lug around a bag of vitamin supplements. Good for her. If she's strong enough to do it, that's fine. But that doesn't mean that anybody else should follow her precepts.
Of course, if you don't have time to read the whole book, you can find this excerpt from The Atlantic on our website, axa.org. For AXA, I'm Anna Samovska.